Okay, so you're looking for a new inset stove for your fireplace. You've looked at all the options available. You've looked at electric, solid fuel and gas. Today I have another option for you that might just fit the bill. This is an inset pellet stove from elcofire. What makes this different is it fits into a standard fireplace opening, and today I'm going to do a quick review on this and see if it's a good choice for you. So this, as we mentioned, is the elcofire Lima. It's actually a 7.5 kilowatt inset pellet stove. As I mentioned earlier, it fits into a standard fireplace opening. That's quite unique when we're talking about pellet stoves, because most of the pellet stoves that are on the market, they don't quite fit into standard fireplaces. They're usually too deep and they don't allow you to put a mantelpiece, or else, worst case scenario, you would have to build out some sort of a stud in the chimney breast to accommodate the inset pellet stove. This is different. This fits into a standard fireplace, and even if your chimney breast is that little bit narrow, it actually comes with a spacer frame. So it actually allows you to fit it into a lot of situations. It's, as I say, an inset pellet stove, 7.5 kilowatt they're rating it as, has really nice features, has a top loading drawer for pellets to be refueled, has the controls on the left hand side for turning the fire on and off, and also turning the heat up and down. Comes with 3 types of controls for the heat actually. You have the top drawer that we just mentioned, you have remote control, and you have app control. All these 3 options come as standard with this fire. So in terms of design, we have a black glass door along with the frame picture window in the middle. This is fairly typical design for an inset pellet stove. Not a massively over big window in the center, but as you'll find in most pellet stoves, they don't typically have big windows like a solid fuel or gas appliance. But this is quite adequate when we talk about pellet stoves. So in terms of efficiency and output, this unit is a 7.5 kilowatt output, but it has 5 different levels of heat, so it can be altered to suit your heat requirements in your room. In terms of efficiency, it's 91.5%. So for every 10 euros worth of pellets you put into this, you're getting 9 euros 10 cents in heat, which is really great efficiency. So we come to the question, is a pellet inset stove like this a good choice for you? And realistically, there is not one size that fits all in this scenario. But if you're looking for something that's sleek and fits into a fireplace, something that's convenient, easy to use, and high efficiency, I think a pellet stove like this is a very good choice. We have this on display. We will be more than happy to give you a full demonstration in our showroom. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.